wrong setting here. Oh, that's not the setting I want. This is the setting that I want. All right, this video is about deportation of Jessica and myself from the island of New Zealand, or the 2 islands of New Zealand, so to speak.
3 islands.
3 islands, sorry, country. What happened to my flip-flops?
I put them up on the barbecue to dry.
Oh, thanks, man.
Because that's where they are.
Mr. Barbecue Man. We had a bit of a shindig last night. It was a bit of a going away party because Jess and I are going away. We leave in 24 hours basically, hey? Yeah. To go back to Auckland to fly out of this wonderful, wonderful country called New Zealand. So it's a bit bittersweet. Jess is still in bed because she had a couple of wobbly pops too many last night. This is kind of gonna be the conclusion of not only the road trip, but our entire trip as well.
Oh, yeah. Nothing too excessive.
Oh man, there's a lot of bottles in there. There's Jess.
With you?
No.
I need to go to hide and give me chips.
Why don't you have a shower and get ready and we'll pick you up on the way back.
Can you give me a Big Mac?
There's lots of food here, babe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, sweet. Can you get me a Big Mac? So, it just so happened that there's a heat wave going through New Zealand while we were on our last day, while we were doing our party and stuff. So today is all about just cleaning up, saying our farewells. The point of this video as well is much just to let everyone know how great New Zealand is and how much fun we had. For anyone that wants to experience New Zealand, is to definitely go out and do the road trip. It is absolutely exceptional. So a lot of bottles in the back. What are we gonna do when we get back?
I think that we should have a cold beer and maybe something to eat.
We had a huge barbecue yesterday, so there was a ton of food that we made. Holy crap, it's hot. How hot do you think it is right now?
It's got to be hitting up in the late 20s, early 30s right now, Raj.
Oh man, it's
Celsius.
Celsius. Celsius. I totally just got, what do you guys call it? Thonged? There's no term?
You gonna miss broccolini?
How dare you take that camera and pull it out? How you feeling, Jess? How was your night?
It's good.
Yeah?
Maybe this camera on my face while I'm trying to wake up.
So where are we at in the story? Well, the last time we posted a video, we were in Christchurch and we were coming back to the mount. We just filled up at $2 even, and that's probably one of the cheapest we've seen. And we are in downtown Christchurch, so there you go. 4.5 hours, let's get to Picton. And it's my dad's birthday today, so happy birthday, Dad. Love you. From Christchurch, we drove all the way to Picton. Spent one last night in Picton, obviously took the ferry across to the North Island. And then we did what? Just like a straight shot?
Yeah.
Straight shot, yeah. We did a straight shot from, oh, Taupo, yeah, so.
Our awesome friends in Taupo, Jay and Deanna.
Jay and Deanna. We were gonna stop, I think, an hour and 2 hours outside of Wellington, but we decided to try and do a straight shot all the way to Taupo. When we got to Taupo, we decided that because it was gonna be our last day camping, that we wanted to actually splurge and get like a cabin. So Jay and Deanna hooked us up because the previous time that we were in Taupo, we actually took like an aerial vlog of the campgrounds, and they were pretty stoked on that. Then we did a straight shot back to the mount and moved back in with Chris and Yoka.
Yeah! We're back!
Had just the most epic 2 months or whatever it was. It's just all coming to an end and it's kind of sad. Good news is, 500 subs. Thank you guys very much for 500 subs. I think I'm at 510 now. You guys that are watching and commenting on the videos, it's super cool. I love it. I love communicating with you guys. It's interesting to see your viewpoint on my perspective of New Zealand. All of that interesting kind of perspectives and vantage points are really neat to see from all you guys that are watching the vlog, so I appreciate that. That's cool. That's really nice. I strongly recommend doing a road trip through New Zealand. If you get here, don't come here and not go everywhere. It's really easy to camp. It's between, you know, $10 and $20 for a campground. There's just so many beautiful places. You know, I understand that people have certain shorter holidays than others, but if you can, rent a car, you know, if it's a little bit longer, buy a car and just sell it at the end of your road trip. That's what we did. Lunchtime? Time for a cider or what?
Little things, big things grow. Landed in Sydney, big city of lights.
What you doing, mate?
It's called redemption. We're about to redeem ourselves with round 2.
All right, it's time for a beer. Delirium Nocturnum, perfect. So we are now doing a beer tasting, Belgian beer tasting. As you guys have been introduced to the vlog, Yoka is from Belgium, and she is the connoisseur of the Belgian beer scene. So there's a place called the Beer Cellar, where she acquires all of her Belgian beer from back home, and they basically import into New Zealand in Hamilton, and then they ship it to any address on the North Island, I think, is kind of how it works. We just had a Delirium Nocturnum. We're trying the Leafman's Guten Band. I'm saying it in a very North American accent.
Hoden buns?
How do you say it?
Hoden buns?
There you go. What are you thinking about the Belgian beers?
I think that we've got a lot to go through. We're running out of time. So far, so good.
Most of the Belgian beers are about between 8 and 10%, I think. My first ever vlog on the channel was in 2015 or 16 or whatever, and where I was in Belgium, and I have a terrible 26-minute vlog. It's the first video ever on this channel, and it's me in Belgium on a beer trip that I went to, that at the business at the time actually flew me out, and we did a beer tasting for a week, and it was incredible. Went to the Delirium Brewery, got inducted into the Brotherhood of the Pink Elephant. Formally, as you can see, the Brotherhood of the Pink Elephant there. If you guys want to see a terrible vlog but something pretty funny and interesting, go back and check it out. How good is it?
So good.
It's amazing.
Oh my god. This is the reason why I miss Belgium, or one of them.
Yeah, and the fries, right?
Yeah, fries and chocolate.
Chocolate.
You remember these? You sure?
Are you sure?
I just want you to know that I'm having such a good time.
We are trying to finally go to watch one last sunset here in New Zealand. And we're gonna miss it if we don't go now. That's Zoe.
Hey!
And that's Tom.
Hello.
Zoe, is this your car? When did you acquire this beautiful
It's beautiful,
specimen? We called our red car Red Dead Redemption.
I didn't come up with one.
The red hot chili pepper.
Oh my god, that's so
Fine. There's so much room back here. I actually have more room. Dude, can I rent a place in the back of your car? Like,
So you have the keys?
yes, I have the keys. I have the keys.
What the heck is happening right
Yes.
now? We went to try and go off on the sunset adventure, and Jess has forgotten.
With 6 people in one car.
It's a boat, and
It is a boat.
Jess was in the boat,
and
Jess
Jess-
is now launched out of the boat in pursuit of.
So she needs to return her work shirt to get her tip money. She forgot her work shirt, so here she comes.
She never should.
Back in the booth.
Back into the boot.
And she goes.
Close it. Close it. Okay, let's rock and roll. All right, take 2.
Zoe was there for that. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous.
Currently walking down the path in Pilot Bay right now, just indulging in this beautiful sunset that's behind us. And this is my last sunset of New Zealand, and I am feeling very emotional. All good things must come to an end.
Ladies,
hey, Dave.
hello.
Hey, Dave.
Oh God, Zoe, you serious? Hello.
Wow. 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 This is my mate Ryan. He's one of my mates that I met through our journey.
He served me some good beer over the last little while.
Really neat experience, man, just to meet the locals and stuff like that. So. Good on you, bruv.
Johnny Local.
Johnny Local. And the night has now come to an end, which means that, where's Jess?
She's talking to someone behind her.
Welcome, my companions, to another epic adventure where we discuss the epilogue of Jess.
This is when I say goodnight, and when I say good morning, when we wake up tomorrow to go to Australia. Completely different vlog. There she is. Good night, New Zealand. I love you.
Good night.
Really sick and tired of Christmas being hijacked by everybody. You know, female Santas, Maori Santas.